moment, it is mad and crazy out there at the moment. You know what happened? Yes, they got the fake powder season out at the moment. I can't understand what's going on right now, guys. Anyway, I'm not gonna call it the name. We are hearing it on the news, we are seeing it, and it is real. Fake powder seasoning. Can you imagine? Can you believe this? What's going on? So guys, I wanna say we need to go back to our natural season, like our spring onion, white onion, and also fresh thyme, and also garlic. These things is very important at the moment. What's going on at the moment? It is crazy out there, guys. We need to turn back, and at the moment, that's why I'm gonna start to preach on my YouTube channel, make my fans them know what's going on about this fake season. And this, they got fake season, fake egg, fake rice. Now it's coming out. If we know my shop, we're gonna start our fake meat. So we have to be careful, guys. They want to kill we off, but you know what I mean. We have to just look what we're getting, look where we buy our stuff, look where we're getting our things, and try to go one another. You know what I mean? And what the whole thing trying to do is try to put it as a brand. Alright? That means you high catch it. So now we have to just look what we're getting our stuff and our things, guys. And please, I'm asking my fans and my friends and do not make your Christmas spoil. I will be really upset because, you know what I mean, we're going on really well at the moment. And I know this lady was cooking his rice, and when he spin it around, was plastic. So be careful. We be careful what we eat, what we drink, and also where we buy our stuff. Alright? Some of these people, then does have the real thing. They have fake stuff in their shop selling. Please, guys, I'm asking you, there is our fake seasoning. You know the season, the powder season where you use for your meat and for your chicken and for your beef. Be careful of that one now. They have it now. It's out. So anyway, stay tuned, and remember, Christmas looking good. And you know what I mean, we got a lot of stuff coming out for Christmas same way. Now gonna spoil our Christmas. We're gonna enjoy our Christmas, and we're gonna cook up our food and make our family happy. Sisters and brother, your neighbor, your cousin, everyone gonna be still happy. So let's crack on, you know what I mean? And we got a lot more recipe and a lot more ideas and a lot more things coming your way. 50% on my cookbook. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And also my new movie, which is gonna come out next year. Big surprise. So thank you so much for tuning in and watch my show. And also